Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn shapes and their attributes together, step by step. Flat shapes have sides and corners. A side is a straight edge. A corner is where two sides meet at a point. We can count them to learn about a shape. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all its sides are the same length. Counting sides helps us name the shape. A circle is special. It has no corners and no straight sides. It is round all the way around. Some shapes are pointy and some are smooth. Here's a shape with 4 straight sides and 4 corners, all equal. What is it? It is a square! We knew that by counting its sides and corners. So to describe a shape, count its sides and its corners. Triangles have 3, squares have 4, and circles have none. Now you can name shapes like a pro. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.